Ladies and gentlemen, here are my top 3 favorite accessories for the Galaxy S21. Owned this device for like, I don't know, close to a year now. Came out last January. Been loving the device. And here are some of the accessories that have just made my life a little easier, and I've enjoyed using them throughout the life cycle of actually owning the device. If you guys are new to this channel, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's hop into the top three favorite accessories on the Galaxy S21. Let's get into it. Also, I was just like looking at this YouTube channel. I just stumbled across this. It's called like Her Unboxing. This channel has like 37,000 subscribers, and their videos are like about good quality content. There's no commentary in these. I was like, this is insane. Like, you have a channel with no commentary that has this many subs? Like, clearly I'm doing something wrong. First item on this list is gonna be the Galaxy Buds Plus. I've done like so many videos on these pair of earbuds, and there's a reason for that. Is because these are my go-to earbuds every time I want to listen to music, podcasts, or honestly take phone calls with these, because there's, I think, 2 microphones in here as opposed to the 1 microphone on the original Galaxy Buds. But I love the case. It's super tiny, super portable, USB Type-C charging, wireless charging. You can charge these even on the back of my Galaxy S21. I like the nice black color. I mean, obviously, like everything I have in terms of tech is black or dark gray. The earbuds have a great seal in the ear. There's no active noise cancellation. However, like there's passive noise cancellation, as in the seal is so tight that it reduces a lot of like outside noise, which is great. I already talked about the mic quality being much better and much improved than the originals. Sound quality is great. It was slightly improved over the originals, probably like a little more bass heavy. And I'd say the vocals are a little clearer. But biggest plus to these, no pun intended, biggest plus to these, battery life. I can charge these once and get like, I don't know, weeks on end of not having to charge them, which is absolutely great. Buds Pros over here, these don't have as good of battery life compared to these. Hands down, these are the battery champs. Number 2 on this list, ladies and gentlemen, is just going to be my case by Torras, Torras. You can find them available on Amazon, not sponsored by them, no means. I'm just taking it off right here. I did actually like a complete review on this case. Here's my device, here's the case. It's a perfect fit. It's like slightly hard shell in the back with like rubber outside, and hasn't honestly stretched much since the beginning of time, or since I actually installed this on my device for the first time. I like how it's also like slightly translucent, so you can sort of still make out the color on your Galaxy device. Small touch, but cutouts are perfect. I have no complaints with that. And you can also pop out the buttons on the side if you really want to, as in the power button and volume up and down. Switch, microphone cutouts at the top, USB Type-C cutout at the bottom. And overall, like it's just a case. I mean, like, and it's gotten the job done. It's not too thick, but it's also pretty substantial and will protect my device if I've dropped it. I hardly ever drop my phone. However, like this case, the times I have dropped it, I've been fully comfortable dropping my phone and it hitting a hard surface, because I know this is gonna protect the case. Torras sponsor a video if you're interested. Last item on this list, ladies and gentlemen, is this little guy right here. I think I've talked about this like once on this channel so far. It's an SD card reader that can also hook up to your smartphone. How cool is this? Comes with USB Type-C right here. You guys can just make that out. On one end, it's USB Type-C. And then on the other end, it's USB Type-A. Why this is so useful is because I can transfer files from my phone to an SD card and then to my PC. So like, how crazy is this? I can take my SD card, plug it into here, plug it into my phone using the SD slot into the bottom. Then I can transfer data from here to here through the SD card. And then from there, I can plug it in my PC and edit it if it's a thumbnail, or if it's a video that I'm using for a actual YouTube video. And this thing's tiny, it's super cheap. Anchor is a solid company, highly recommend them. You guys can make that out, it's probably a little too dark. But I love this thing and I use it all the time, and I'd highly recommend getting one through Anchor, just because they're a reputable brand. So yeah, SD card transfer tool. Also useful for transferring data from my camera, like the one I'm currently recording on, to my PC for video editing. Okay, people, hope you enjoyed this like quick little video on my top 3 favorite accessories for my Galaxy S21. If you did, guys, I can't speak English. If you did enjoy this video, guys, hit the like button, share it with your best friend or family member, subscribe to the channel. We appreciate all new fans on this channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Comment down below what videos you want to see. And if you're interested in Q&A, by all means, comment a question for me. You can also go follow me on TikTok. All links below. Check out the podcast at Unwrapping Success. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everyone.